In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your passkey from your Google account. So you can do this on any browser on a mobile device or a computer. So I'm opening up a new browser tab here, and I'm going to just simply go to google.com. When you're on the Google homepage here, you want to make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and you should see your profile image in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and tap into that there. Then you want to go here and go to manage your Google account. You should see that towards the top. And then once you're under manage Google account, you want to scroll down and then you should see security and sign in. Tap into security and sign in. And then once you're here, towards the top, you should see something that says Passkeys and security keys. Go ahead and tap on Passkeys and security keys. It may prompt you to log in once again or type in your password. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to see your active passkeys. To know that you have a passkey, you should see something with a pencil and an X next to it. In order to remove a passkey, what you want to do is tap the X next to it. So tap on the X there, and then it says remove your only passkey if you only have one. And then I say, yes, I want to remove it by tapping on remove. And as you can see, there is now no more passkeys on my Google account. If you want to create one, you come back to the same place, go to create passkey, go through the process, and you are good to go. But that's how you remove a passkey or security key from your Google account. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.